Hello, respectable audience. I have a question. 2 divided by 4? Whole divided by 4 divided by 2. We have to find its answer. So we have to make 2 parentheses. First parentheses will have numerator. So 2 divided by 4. And this fraction is converted into division. And second parenthesis will have 4 dividing 9, 2. Now, according to PEMDAS, we have 2. So, parenthesis. So 2 times it by 4 wouldn't be equal to 2 times, flip it, 1 by 4. Okay, now, divided by 4 divided by 2 is simple. It is 2. Now, 2 and 4 are cancel. So in this case, we have 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now, again, we have to simplify it. So, 1 by 2 as it is, divide is changed into multiplication, and 2 is flipped, so it will become 1 by 2. Now it is totally simple, and 1 times 1 will be equal to 1, and 2 times 2 will be equal to 4, and 1 by 4 will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.